show the golf industry who we are, what we do. The pass-through screen is a patented item that's groundbreaking.
We use a screen made up of 2 different layers of elastic. As your ball hits the screen, it just goes through the screen, basically just disappears. So there's no bounce back on the screen at all. It really enhances the indoor experience.
Not only is it portable, not only is it lightweight, you can use it for events, parties, or keep it permanently forever in your home. It's now affordable to a whole new demographic of people that want to have a simulator that haven't been able to afford one.
We wanted to take simulator and go mobile with it. There's been a lot of interest with different corporate events, parties, outings, and now that's kind of morphed into a franchise effort under full swing.
We get spin and everything on it. It's pretty awesome, actually.
This is the most accurate putting by far.
But this thing would be great to use on a rainy day in the house, or if I hear Florida gets some hurricanes, so I might need to have it then too.
Simulator.